Welcome everyone to another quick tip video from Simon Says Stamp. And today I'm going to be featuring detailed stencils. Sometimes they're troublesome to work with because of the fine detail of the design and how it might lift up. So I'm going to show you an example with our egg hunt stencil. It's very fine and it has areas that might lift up as you're trying to do your ink blending. For stencils like this, we like to use Pixie spray, which is a stencil spray, and it's a light adhesive. It is odorless and very easy for cleanup. To use this, I'm just working on a paper towel. I'm shaking up my can to make sure that it's going to spray right, and I'm going to go in small bursts. So I'm holding it about 12 inches from the stencil and pushing down on the nozzle, just doing bursts of the adhesive. Then I'll let it sit for about a minute to dry. And now I've just turned that over and I'm placing it onto some white cardstock, and I'll pat down all those little tiny pieces in place before I do my ink blending. And with Pixie spray, I won't need to use any tapes to keep my stencil from shifting. And with your stencil held in place, you can easily do your blending using circular motions to get that ink right close to that stencil. And once you're done with your coloring, you can peel your stencil away really easily to reveal your fine detailed pattern. Since this is a repositionable adhesive, you can use it again on another project or take your stencil to the sink and clean it with soap and water. I hope this was helpful for getting some really great results using some Pixie spray and your fine detail stencils. Be sure to check out our other quick tip videos for helpful tips and tricks, and I'll catch you next time.